Very good morning, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Yesterday we had very good movement in the market, Bank Nifty. So soon after the market has opened, immediately we had given one buy call. We had no time to type the strike price, so we gave one call. You buy any CE. We gave instruction. You buy any CE. So it also immediately we got the entry. We got the entry of 37,000 CE at the price of 220. I have shared the screenshot also of my trade, and it has made the high of 820 plus. So more than 600 points yesterday we got the profit. Okay, why we said yesterday immediately after the market has opened buy? Because we had applied two more techniques yesterday. So what are the two more techniques? I had explained one strategy that is 9:15 to 9:30 a.m. along with 9 EMA along with 9 EMA strategy. So yesterday it has performed well. Yesterday it has performed well. So now what I will do, I will enable the VWAP, not VWAP, 9 EMA. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to replay. So consider market has just opened. Yeah, now what is the 3 o'clock? The previous day market running, previous day market over. Now first 15 minutes over. Now we have marked the high and low, and the EMA is below the candle, and it is showing the buy trend. Now once the high of that candle is broken, then we have to go for the buy entry. So that is why we gave immediately, I think around 917, 918 itself, I had given the entry because I have found a very good volume. See in the indicator itself, we can see the volume also. Okay, here I have added volume candle, so that also you can see, but that is not applicable for the spot index chart. That will be useful. That will be working only in the what features chart. Now these three lines are formed. Now how to trade, where to book the target. Okay, the first top green line is the entry point and bottom red line is the stop loss. Then what about the target? Come here and directly enable second buy targets. Directly enable second buy targets. See all the three targets achieved. If you want extra targets, then come here and enable the extra targets. Otherwise, just increase the target level 1 is to 2. See here perfectly. So the first target is having 1 is to 1 minimum. Okay, this is the range of the first target is big because the range of the first 15 minutes candle is big. So that is why we have given extra targets. Then second target is the 50% of that. Third target is 50% of that. See here, what is the high? The high made was 37,779.50 and our last target 37,864. So exactly, sorry, high made was 37,862.40 and the target was 37,864. So almost just 2 points missed for our targets, and perfectly it has hit all our targets. Okay, this is how we have to trade. It is very simple. Suppose if sell activated, it directly enable second sell targets. Okay, directly enable second sell targets. That is enough. So your first target will be 1 is to 1 minimum. Sometime 1 is to 2 also, depends on the movement of the market. The previous day SL is not hit here. Okay, because high broken only in the third candle. Clear? So SL was safe and we have got the profit. And SL is not hit. Huh? Okay, and today it has broken the high. Yesterday's high it has broken. So this is how we have to trade. This is one method. And another method, what we are having, we have our own indicator that we are following every day. We are following every day. but we have given some restrictions, some tips to avoid the losses. What is the tips we have given? If first 50 minutes candle is having very good volume, so I will show you in features so that we can see the volume candle also. Bank Nifty, come on, here is the Bank Nifty features. Now I will enable volume candle and 9 EMA. Okay, so we had clearly mentioned, and we are keep on telling, if the first candle is having good volume, see the volume, it is very dark green. Okay, if it is having first candle is having good volume, then you have to avoid that day first sell. Similarly, the breaking candle of our entry, sell entry, it is also having a Marubozu candle, which means what? There is no tile on the top or on the bottom, which means buyers are ready to buy at any price. Whatever price they are getting, they are ready to buy at any price. So, this also indicates that we should not go for first to buy. Despite all this exclusion, if you have taken the first sell entry, see here, suppose you have not followed anything and you have taken the first sell entry at this point. Immediately your SL hit. So what you will be doing? Immediately you will be taking double lot here and you will be enabling the second buy targets. See what happened? I will zoom and show you. The SL is not hit. Okay. Though I have kept a small SL, tiny SL, you can see the SL is not at all hit. See here, the low made was only up to this only low made. And our SL was 37,367. Okay, the low made only 37,380. So SL is not hit. Another 0.9 EMA is not broken. Clear? So if you have blindly followed our strategy also, our indicator also, you are not in a loss. So you will be in a huge profit. Okay, because all the targets have been achieved. All the three targets have been achieved in 1:1. If you want 1:2, so that also you can keep small targets. So all the three targets have been achieved perfectly in 1:2. See here the high, perfectly it has hit. So this is how you have to trade. Either you follow the tips whatever we have given, otherwise simply and blindly follow the strategy. If SL hit, you should not hesitate to go for the reversal entry. You should go for reversal entry compulsorily, at least with one lot. Okay, why we are giving all these things? Because we want to educate the people. We don't want anyone to lose in this market. Okay, we want to educate them, especially the Indian traders. Especially the Indian traders, we want to educate them. That is why our channel name and our group name, institution name is School of Trading. So we are running education channel. And if you want to trade with your real money, please consult with your financial advisor and read the disclaimer. As per SEBI not registered people not supposed to give any calls. Okay, we are not recommending this as your final stage of trading. We are giving just educational purpose. Okay, this is about Bank Nifty. What about the crude oil? You all know we are mainly focusing on crude oil, Bank Nifty, and natural gas. Again, in this what crude oil also, what happened yesterday? Buy activated here, but yesterday I had kept in MST other calculation I had kept. Since I know the market movement is high, by seeing this candle is having more volatility, more volume, I just changed it to a small number of calculation changed. That also we have given in our all the indicator, that is called as MST other calculation. Here you can see MST other calculation. What happened? So here perfectly my buy triggered and the SL was very low. Okay, the SL was very low, only 13 points I think, 5702 5689, only small SL, but targets are big. Okay, the targets are big. So I will keep it in normal and enable the midpoint bottom side. See the low, the midpoint is 5696 and our low was 5695. So it has taken the support from the midpoint and it has shooted up. See how many targets we have got. So what we are supposed to do, once buy activated, we have to remove the sell. Okay, we have to remove the second buy targets. Only we have to keep second sell entry. So next one, see the targets. How many targets we have achieved? So I have kept 1 is to 3. So not 1 is to 1, 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3 I have kept. How much profit we have got? From here to here, directly we have got the profit. From here to this point, here only our buy got activated and immediately all the targets have been achieved. So if you want to book at the first target, book and exit. If you want to wait for second target, revise the stop loss to cost here and wait for the second target. Once second target is booked, revise stop loss to first target. If you want to book this third target, go for the reversal entry. Keep the revise at this third target. So this way you have to keep trailing your stop loss. So now all your targets have been achieved. Hope it is clear, right? So I can show you natural gas also. I can show you what happened in the natural gas. So in natural gas, what you have to keep? Default I have to change first. Then since it is a very lowered one, I have to keep normal SL and normal targets. It is trading below 300 rupees. So first what happened, the low made was 278 and our entry is 277.8. 20 paisa we missed the entry in the first 15 minutes candle. So we are telling if you are happening such thing, then you can keep 30 paisa buffer value. So in the next candle also we have got the entry 278, same 20 paisa difference we have got. So 278.10 will be our entry. So I am enabling first buy targets, this removing first sell, second buy. See all the three targets have been achieved. So if you want the big target, come here, enable the big targets. So I will 1 second reset. Yeah, then I will enable big targets. Then first buy targets, enabling. Second sell is the end stop loss. I will keep normal SL. Okay, this is the big targets. Okay, so all the three targets in the big targets also have been achieved. Okay, if you want more targets, then you can change here. You have given the option first to buy fourth target, so that also you can enable. So this also possible, so you can do all these things. So all the four targets in the 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3 range has been achieved. So this is how you have to trade. I will show you one more one if you want. Where is nickel, copper? Nickel not here. Okay, no issue. So same thing has happened in everything. Okay, so this is how our indicator works. It is very simple to understand. If you have not watched, please watch our videos again. If you want to subscribe to indicator, only the authorized number is 9500009154. If someone says they are from MST School of Trading from other number, don't believe them. There are many people who are cheating in the market. Once we have a successful product, people have started to re-imitate the same product in their name. So be alert. Now I have made a small change in this indicator. What a small change. I will take an example of Bank Nifty. Here is Bank Nifty. Here is Bank Nifty. What I have made change? It's nothing. I have been telling you that the indicators can be used as a best support and resistance. Best support and resistance. You forget about this. Okay, this is blue color is first buy, this is second sell. Forget about this. You consider this is a one resistance zone and this is one support zone. This is the pivot. So this is resistance. Once the resistance is broken with volume. See here, once the resistance is broken with volume, what we are supposed to do? We have to mark this high and the low. We have to mark this high and the low. I will remove this and 1 second I will explain you. So now it has broken with the volume. So I have to mark this candle high and this candle high. Now it has broken the high. So the possible reversal point is the midpoint. So if market is coming, it is broken. First it will go here, then it will come and retrace the same point. And this is called retracement. If it is coming further, it will come to only this level. It will not break this low. Then it will shoot up. Same thing happened yesterday. Yesterday what happened? Yesterday it has come, it has broken the resistance, then it has retested the same point, then it has shooted up. So this is how we have to trade with the support and resistance. So this is a daily resistance. See here DR1. Instead of first cell, I have renamed it as DR1. DR1 means daily resistance 1. DR2 means daily resistance 2. Okay. So what you are supposed to do? Based on the price action theory, you can trade this. If you are trading blind without knowledge, if you are trading, the R1 will be your sell entry, R2 will be your stop loss. Similarly, S1 will be your buy entry and S2 will be your stop loss. And this will be your pivot point, midpoint. Okay. Now, one more point I will tell you. How to see the previous day's support and resistance. I have been telling you virgin entry. Okay, what is virgin entry? What is virgin entry? That also I show you. So if you convert into 1 hour time frame, you will see more levels, right? So this level is not at all met. So I am marking one level. This level also not met. This level also not met. I mean it is not traded. It is not traded. So now wherever you are finding such lines, you just put one horizontal line. Here also one horizontal line. Wherever possible, try to put. So I'm trying to code it. So when it is possible, I will give you that also. This line also not traded. This level also not traded. This level also not traded. This level also not traded. Right. So since I'm having in 1 hour time frame, it is having more. Now change to 15 minutes time frame or 5 minutes time frame, whichever you want, you change. So now see, now market has taken resistance from here. Okay, 38,015. It has taken resistance. If market is breaking this point, then it will go further side, further levels. If today market has opened in this range, then it will go up, then it will come here, it will take the support, then it will go upside. Otherwise, it will come down, it will go up, it will take resistance from here, then it will come to this part. Once it is broken with a higher volume, then it will come down. See here in this example yesterday, I will keep it in 15 minutes for better visibility. So yesterday this line also I will mark. yesterday's line. So now where the market has opened above this support, above this resistance. It went up, it has come down, took the support, then it went to higher levels. So this is how you have to trade based on the support and resistance. Based on the support and resistance. It is very simple. So this is the way you can analyze the market before it opens. Before it opens, you can analyze the market. So once this level is achieved, then it will go to next level. But ensure that it is having the volume. If it is not having the volume, it is the fake breakout. Okay, it has to break the resistance with the volume. It has to break the support with the volume. If it is not breaking without volume, then it is not having the true breakout, it is the fake breakout. So hope everything is clear in this video. Actually this support and resistance concept I am explaining in the price action course in detail. Okay, I have given some glimpse of this. Using our indicator also you can apply this knowledge. So now these lines are formed based on the calculation, but these lines also you can make it manually. Okay, so that also possible. So let us see now. Market has not opened. I have given the levels, right? Tomorrow we will discuss what has happened to these levels. Clear? I will not delete these levels. So tomorrow whatever is happened, so let us see. Thank you all for watching our videos. If you are not subscribed to our videos, our YouTube channel, please subscribe. Also join our MST School of Trading Telegram group for the updates. Wish you all a happy profitable day ahead.